Welcome back to another Prediction Sunday. This is your brother Kier here with Auto Markets and the Build Not Big family. We're locked in for a new trading week, and the word for this week is alignment. We're moving in alignment with the market, the structure, and with purpose. No forcing trades this week. Today I'll be walking you through the charts for our core pairs: NAS100, gold, UK Brent oil, and also I've added USDCHF this week as bonus. Clean opportunities setting up on this pair. We're going to break down each chart using pure price action and the Stormbreaker Strategy. I'll show you the key zones, market structure shifts, and what I'll be watching for this week's potential entries. So get your notebooks ready and let's get into it. First up, NAS100. We've got a strong trend structure holding on the 4 hour. Price is still respecting the upward channel and is pushing back towards that higher time frame resistance at 22,142. What I'm watching this week is whether the buyers can hold above 21,773 to push into a potential breakout. If we see weakness and a break below 21,397, we could get a deeper pullback to retest 20,825 or even 23,118 below. So it's a week to stay reactive. Don't buy too high, let the market tell us. Now let's look at gold. This one is very interesting this week. We're inside a compression triangle on the daily. Price is hugging that green ascending trend line and holding the 3311 zone. On the lower time frames, we're seeing sellers step in from 3363 again. So gold is at a decision point. If buyers defend the trend line and we break above 3342, we could see another push towards 3363 and potentially a breakout towards 3400 plus levels. But if we lose 3,311, the next key level is 3283 with major daily support down near 3123. So again, patience is key on gold this week. Next up, we have UK oil, which is Brent. Beautiful wedge forming here, and buyers have just broken out of the consolidation above 65, and we're now testing the top of that large structure around 6640. If buyers can hold this breakout and push above last week's highs, the next target is 70.5. But if the breakout fails and we fall back below 65.02, we could see a retest of the lower wedge support. So I'll be watching this pair very closely in the early London session this week. Finally, a quick look at USDCHF. Bonus pair this week because the structure is clean. We've been in a strong daily downtrend, but price is now building a rising wedge on the lower time frames. Key resistance is up at 0.8239 with us descending to trend line, pressure still holding. If buyers can break this trend line, we may get a corrective move higher towards 0.8315. But until then, sellers remain in control. I'll be watching for bearish setups back towards 0.8199 or lower. That's this week's Prediction Sunday breakdown: NAS, gold, oil, and USDCHF. Remember, this week's word is alignment. We don't force the trades. We stay aligned with structure and flow with the market, not against it. If this helped you today, make sure to subscribe, share this with a brother or sister who needs it, and drop a comment below. What's your favorite setup for this week? Built, not begged. Let's win this week.